Hi, I'm Dorcas. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video onto your WordPress website. And the good idea with embedding is that once you know how to embed one thing, you know how to embed lots of things. So in the next video after this, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google map onto your website. So let's go onto our WordPress dashboards. Get rid of that. So here I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website. And let's say, for example, on one of my pages, I'm going to embed a video. So let's say, for example, on the acoustic guitar lessons page, I want to embed a YouTube video. So you can write your text as normal. For example, I might write some text saying, check out this great video of me teaching acoustic guitar. And now I'm going to get the link or get the embed code from YouTube. So I'm leaving this tab open. I'm opening up a different tab. So you can see here, I have a tab here where YouTube is already open and I have a video here ready to go. So this isn't my video. I'm not associated with Marty Music at all, but I just picked this video because we're going to embed this video onto our website. So you find the video that you want to embed. Typically, you'd really be doing this for blog posts, but I'm going to just put this on a static page, but it's the exact same method. So underneath the video, you see you can click share. So you click share. Now, let's move me over here. So I don't want to just take the link because I don't want people to click the link and go off onto YouTube and forget about my website. I want to actually embed it, which means that you'll be able to view the video within my website, and then hopefully when the video stays or stops, you'll stay on my website and then buy lots of things or book lots of guitar lessons. So if I just scroll down here, let's move the page up. You'll see that when I click share, then I can click embed. So I'm going to click embed. I'm not taking this code, I'm clicking embed instead. And now it's this iframe code. That's the code that I want. Before I take the code, I always deselect this option here where it says show suggested videos when the video finishes. I deselect that because I don't want you to see other videos when the video finishes. I want the video to stop and then you don't get distracted by other things. As I said, you just stay on my website. So I deselect that. The other options are optional, but I would definitely deselect that. And then I can copy this code. So I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to go to my website. And just a warning, I'm going to show you how to do this wrong because if I show you wrong, you'll remember it better. So I paste the code in here, then I click update, and then as always, I go and I check my preview. So here at my preview, I've added this into my acoustic guitar lessons page. And you'll see, I see the code appear. And I didn't expect to see that. I expected to see the YouTube video embedded. Okay, so what did we do wrong? So go back into our page, delete out what we did. If you ever want to paste in codes, then you have to click on this text tab here. So visual is the default where you usually work. Text is where you need to click. So I click text, and then I'm just going to paste it onto a new line. I can click back into visual, click update, and then not only do I see the video here, but I just make sure that it will really appear on my website. So you can see there, I refresh, and here's my video. I can play it, and you can see it's being played within YouTube, but it's embedded within my website. And that's how to embed a YouTube video. See you next time.